we want to talk about the new search function in Vizrt T5, which is found within the Asset View window. So I'm going to take my Asset View window and I'm going to drag it out into my own window, just so I'll have a little bit more room to see what's going on here. And the search function is found right up here in the upper right. So if there is anything that we want to come in here and search for instance, reflection, will type in reflect and I'll hit enter, and here it finds an image. Now if we go back and do it again, we need something blue, and there again it found some images for us. Now you might think that's a little bit limited, but no worries, there are more advanced search properties that we can do, and you have a settings or properties icon up here that which you can click on. And first thing that we were doing, we were only doing a free text search. So you type in a letter word combination and it will come up with what's in the asset view. But there are more options. So for instance, we could either change it from a naming convention or a free text. I suggest a free text. There's also an option here to keep it at any type, or if you know what you need to search, you can come down here and click scene, geometry, material, audio, substance, whatever it be. But any type is selected by default. There's also a created by date, and you can come down here and select a date if you know when that was created by. And notice that it gives you a little calendar to select through. Now there's also a search scope. We can say global, search all the folders, or select selected folder. And then there's also a modified, and notice again we click on that and there is a calendar which we could search. So since we are on free text, there are also keywords and modifiers and owner grayed out. But if we were to change that to name, notice we could also now have our keywords that we could search, a modifier and an owner. So if you want those properties to go away, you just click on the little property settings button right there. Now also we can use it in a different way, that we have the ability to drag an image up into this box, and then we can also search links. So if we do a start search, it's going to show us where that image is, or what scene that image is being used in. And you can see we searched a flag, and here we have a scene that has a bunch of flags in it that we could open up. So it's a good way to search where certain assets are being used in scenes, as well as finding your own assets that you need to find. There's also a reset values down here in the lower left. Once I do that, that's going to clear everything out here and reset our search parameter, and you can go back and close your properties, and there is your brand new search bar for Vizrt T5.